Hello everybody, welcome to KSI Data Research. Welcome to Data Analytics Data Science Classroom.
Today's topics data type. Let's open the SQL server. Here is our SQL server. So the topics is difference when we're going to use decimal and when we are going to use float. So decimal versus float in SQL server, and we should avoid this precision mistake. So that means when we should going to use decimal and when we should use the float in order to make sure is precision has to be followed depending on the example. So let's get started. Here is our that use practice, our database. Over here, we are using under this database. We wanted to create a table. So as you can see, the table over here has create table, product pricing. So we are going to using product ID with the integer and retail price using decimal. And it has a 10,2. So that means 10 digit would be before the point and after the point would be two digit. The scientific value, which is we can use float. The float to be approximate value. We don't need exact value. For retail price, we need an exact value. That's why we are going to use decimal. For scientific value, which is we do not need exact value, so approximate value will be accepted. So we can use float. Okay. So let's create this table. So now we created this table. If you go this table, you can see the table was created and insert data insert into that data. If I wanted to insert data, as you can see for the decimal, for exact value, so out of 10, 10 means 10 number, 10 uh, decimal we can use in a uh, in our column. So that means in this value we can use here up to, we use one character over here, but we can go up to the 8 character because total should be 10. Total should be 10. So what we can write to explain this one, total should be 10. So what we can write over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So 10 of them over here. So but we have to have 2 after the point. So we have to put that point over here, exactly the point over here. So that means that 2 decimal after the point, and we can have 8 decimal before the point. Okay. So if I just uh, add more over here, and then if we try to execute, then it's going to say, see, arithmetic overflow error, converting number to the data type numeric, because we put more than 10 of the character, 10 of the numbers over here. Okay, the digit. So it should be over here is exactly is 11 digit right now. So if I take it off 1, so it should be okay now. See, then it is working right now. Okay. So we can make a different arrangement over, and we can, whatever the decimal we want, we write the same way so that we can get exact value over here. But the floating is different. Floating, can take very large number and very small number, but it can give you little bit of uh, because of the binary, it can give you little bit of uh, error. See, say for example, I put over here one example over here, basic arithmetic using float. So if I wanted to add 0, 1 and with a 0, 2, so what I will get? I will get 0, 3, isn't it? But we do not get exactly 0, 3, not exactly 0, 3. It is give you value 0.0300000000, and then it has a sum 4 over here. So this kind of uh, tiny error happen with a float, and which is scientifically, if we can accept that, then is no problem. But for the exact value, we have to use a decimal. So this is the main difference between decimal and float. I think you understand clearly now. So hopefully this will help you how you going to use the data type in our table column. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like to have more tips in the field of SQL, Power BI, Python for machine learning, advanced Excels, subscribe our channel. Also, if you like to join free webinar, follow our Facebook page and website. Please check the link below in the description. Thank you again.